Deredere character is someone who is very sweet, upbeat, and positive on the surface. They do not hesitate to show the people around them how much they care. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you 6 tips on how to write an amazing Deredere character for your manga, comic, or light novel. My first tip is reveal why this character has such an upbeat and positive personality. Everyone's personality traits are there for a reason. It's something they develop over time, and this is the case for a Deredere character also. You need to consider why this character became like this. What happened in their past, or in their childhood, or growing up, that made them into this really positive and upbeat character today. On one end of things, maybe they went through some hardships, and so in order to uplift the people around them, they became this more positive or bubbly person. Or in another example, maybe they had a really supportive life when growing up, and this made them see the world in a much more positive way. My second tip is introduce a love interest or a friend and show why they care about them. Usually for the Deredere character types, this Deredere type will come out more with the person that they care about the most. Now, in most cases in anime or manga, this character will be a love interest. However, it doesn't always have to be this way. It could be a friend or it could be a family member. Just consider who this character cares about the most and how they show that care to the people around them. So this particular character that they really care about, why do they care about this character? Is it because this character was really kind to them or helped them when they really needed it the most? Are they someone who really listens to the Deredere or supports them? Are they someone who can give them advice? Maybe it's just someone this character has known for a really long time and someone that they feel they can trust. By getting to the root of who your character cares about the most and why they care about them is going to make any connections the Deredere character has a lot more realistic and believable. My third tip is give them a moment to shine. Consider how you can give your Deredere character the opportunity to shine in your story. I think this is such a fun character type to write about, and they are the kind of character that really helps to cheer up people around them, and this is usually what will happen when they have a moment to shine in the story. Usually there will be a character who is feeling down or going through something difficult, and this character type will be there to uplift them and help them get through it. Show the good qualities in your character by giving them moments to shine in your story and moments to help the people around them. My fifth tip is show their true feelings under the surface. Even though a Deredere character will usually be very upbeat and cheerful, this doesn't mean that they have to always be like this all the time. You should definitely give them more vulnerable moments, or moments when they show their true feelings under the surface. I think that vulnerability is important with any character. You have to consider the toll it would take on this character type to be very positive and upbeat all the time. They might be the kind of character that others turn to when they need help or advice, but who does the Deredere character turn to when they need someone to listen to them? So for a Deredere character, you need to show their moments of vulnerability when they show their true feelings and show how it might be really hard sometimes for them to be that positive character all the time. By giving them more vulnerable moments, especially with the character that they care about the most, it's going to make them a lot more believable and realistic in your story. It's also going to help to create a Deredere character who doesn't just fit the archetype, but also is someone who stands apart from that as a realistic character. I think it also helps your audience to care about them more because they will be able to relate to what that character is experiencing. My sixth tip is present the results of their actions. How do others feel from being around this cheery Deredere character? Through your character being there for others or being cheerful and upbeat, they likely change the world or characters around them. Consider how other people feel about this Deredere character or what they have changed through their cheery and upbeat personality. Their influence on the people around them or the rest of the world is what really makes them this Deredere character. They are someone who not only has those aspects in their personality, but they're also someone who can really influence people and make people feel happier in general. They are someone who can uplift the people around them and really bring that cheery shine to other people's lives. So thank you so much for watching my video today, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what kind of Deredere characters you're creating because I would really love to hear about them. I know that I already created a short video about Deredere types, however, I really wanted to create longer videos about the Dere types. So you will likely see a longer video for yanderes and tsunderes, and I'm also planning to make one about kuderes, danderes, and himederes as well. But if there's other types that you would like to see, then please let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!